boat here at MarineMax Pensacola. And I want to take you on a brief walkthrough of our 2022 Harris 230 Cruiser. We're going to start at the transom of the boat where we have a Mercury 200 4-stroke. This boat has DTS. It's a great option and outfit for this specific boat. Coming up, you do have the sun lounger here with the switchback seating. Great for entertaining all your laying out needs, solved right there. Coming forward, you do have the co-captain seat. Moving over to the helm here, you do have the upgraded captain seat with the 7-inch Simrad JL audio head unit, wireless phone charging capabilities along with auxiliary and a 12-volt plug. Moving forward to the front of the boat, you do have the twin loungers with storage underneath every seat, dual cup holders and phone chargers on both sides of this boat. One other notable feature is the electric bimini that we have optioned this boat with. Feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this.